100 and 192. Can I pull you up to 15 to help me out with a 10-8? S15 if you can copy. 5400 Longworth. Thinks a male black and a female black are breaking in the neighbor's house. The neighbor is not home. Male black, gray, or dark blue t-shirt, jeans. A female black, pink t-shirt, jeans, using a drill on the front door. They're in a white van. It's in the driveway.
My neighbor across the street is gone for work, and there's a guy that looks like he's trying to drill the knob off of our front door to get in, and they've got a white, looks like a Mercedes work type van sitting in the driveway. It's a black male. There's a black female with him. It's a Mercedes van.
627 now, they're saying she's 270 southbound at Roberts and the southbound lane north of Roberts.
Hunter, they look to be maintenance people. I've got George Frank Lincoln 1299 out front. Introducing the van. Hi guys.
Hello, how are you?
You guys doing maintenance here or?
I'm opening the door.
Okay.
That's the homeowner.
I'm the
Okay, you're the homeowner? Okay,
Yeah.
do you just have your ID on you, dear? Okay. Neighbors are calling in. They think somebody's breaking in your house. You're okay, dear.
I'm sorry, I forgot.
You're okay, buddy. 100. You can slow the other car down. One of the people here says they're the homeowner. I'm just verifying.
I went abroad and I left my keys there.
Oh, did you? Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So I just came yesterday. I just came last night.
Okay. Do you have anything that has your address on it? An ID that has your, or a piece of mail maybe, something like that?
That's why I'm stuck. Okay, I can pull.
I'm sure if it wasn't you, you would just want me to verify, you know, that somebody else didn't break it in.
Right.
Very good, dear. All right, you have a good day.
You too. I expected it anyway, so
Yep, no worries. Well, it's good to have neighbors that are looking out for you, though, too.
I
So,
appreciate it. Thank
all
you.
right, take care.